Hello, my name is Giuseppe, and I want to show you how to deal with a problem when we want to use a grid as a detail on a master detail form. It's a very this question is very repetitive. Um, because Scriptcase always want to have a form is developed to have a master detail both with forms, and sometimes, like in this question, the form don't fit our needs to use it as detail. Then we need a grid using as detail and another form using as the form to enter the data. Why? Because sometimes we need a lot of fields or some way to show the information in the form that don't fit the grid editable option of forms applications. Then I want to show you one way to do it. For example, we can enter on this application, and we have, for example, this is a master detail. This is the header or the master, and inside this tab there is the detail. Right now there is nothing to show here because we have to save first the master to pass the ID to the detail to know where to save the data. We can do it in one step, but it's more job, and it's not worth, in my opinion. We can try to create a new form just to show how to do it. Now we have this. This is a grid showing the details. Right now there is nothing to show, and to get this working, we have to we need the new line button in the toolbar of the master detail. Okay, when we press the new line button, then we get another form where this, well, it's more or less a complex form. Okay, where we can take the data as we want, and in this situation I just will write here something, some product with this price, okay, with these taxes, and we save this new line. We come back again to enter more data, okay, and if we press back, we come back to the master detail form with the grid showing this data. We press on edit, we get again, we come back again to the form to edit this line, or we can press again to new line to enter a new line. Okay, how this is done? Well, it's not very difficult, and I will show you. This is the master application, from Documento Comercial. It's the master detail application. Okay, it's a normal form. Okay, sorry, it's a normal form with no, and we have a detail. This detail points to the grid we want to have on detail. Okay, and we pass the data we need on the detail form. Right now this is grid data de documento. This is the grid we want as the detail. It's this grid. You can see that when this is one of the problems when we use a grid as detail, we lose the toolbar options. This is very annoying, and I don't know why NetMake don't solve it, because if we refresh this iframe here, well, maybe I don't have the toolbar, but if you refresh the iframe, the toolbar appears and works, and it's very annoying because it's not a hard job for netmake to solve, but well, probably they have their reasons to do it this way. Then on we have the button to create a new a new detail. We just tell to the form we want to insert new detail to start as new record, okay, and redirect to this form with the params we need on this form. I mean, we need the document in my situation, the ID, the document, and other variables I need on the destination application, and calls to this form. This way the form will create the record for this ID, okay, as for this ID in the at the foreign key of the application. Then this is to create. We can go again to the form, and in the form we have to use at foreign key as a definite value that is the global variable here, okay. We use this global variable and force this value to this form to use always this global variable for when save, update, or whatever. Well, in this situation is just insert, because in update we can't change this value. For this reason, it's not needed to set up on update behavior. Then we have to let me one moment. Yes, on navigation we have to let the application to come back to the master application. This way, when we press on back, it will go to the application. We have to sc redir from, okay, to come back to the ID correctly. Sorry, I forgot this. Instead of use the standard. Let me show you. Toolbar, I didn't show it. Okay, instead to have the standard exit button, I created my own button that in my language it's the name it's Volver, and this button return to the form, okay, with the ID of the document we want to open. This way, when we press on back button, it comes to the same form application where we started the master, okay. Then it's all to say that on edit fields used to set the foreign key to some global variable where we get the document, the ID of the detail, the foreign key of the detail, the ID for the foreign key, okay. And basically this is all on the detailed form. Then on grid we have to do two things. First is the SQL needs to have a where clause where we specify the document the at foreign key level where we want to filter, okay. And this way the detail always will show the records for the master application. And I created a new field called to override the edit option, because on a grid working on detail lose the toolbar and lose to the standard buttons of to link application link, okay. Then I created a new virtual column, okay, that it's an HTML image, call it in this situation edit. Okay, I selected an image, and well, this is the, and it's a link to the application. Okay, and this is all. Almost this is all. You just have to link and press the pass. Sorry, the, well, this is not the application right now. It's already selected, but we have to choose form detalle documento. Okay, and just pass the data we need on the other application. And basically this is all. This way we get this form. When we press new line, it comes to the form. When we press back, it comes to the master application with opening the ID of the document we started from. And if we want to edit that file, we can use this, okay, to edit again this line. And basically this is all. You have some questions you can ask on forums or something. I hope it's helpful for you. Bye.